Hi friend, this is Jogendra Singh, your host, not ghost. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bharat Art and Heritage. Today I will tell you about Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is situated on Badi Chopad in the southern part of Jaipur city. Jaipur city is directly connected to all of major cities of India by road, rail, and air. Jaipur railway station is the central station of the broad gauge line network of Indian Railways. There is no provision for direct entry into Hawa Mahal from the front. To enter the Hawa Mahal, there is a provision for entry from the path made on the right and left side of the palace, from where you can enter the palace from the rear side of the palace. The front part of the palace, which is seen from the main road in front of Hawa Mahal, each of its small window has extremely attractive and beautifully covered sandstone lattice, battlements and domes. The unique structure contains many semi-octagonal windows which make it unique in the world. The inner part of rear side of the building has room built according to different needs, which are constructed with pillars and corridors with very little ornamentation, and these are like this till the top floor of the building. Lal Chand Usta was the architect of the unique building, who also helped in planning the architect of the city of Jaipur. The color of the palace, made of red and pink sandstone in keeping with the decoration of other monuments in the city, is a perfect proof of the little of pink city given the Jaipur. The front of the Hawa Mahal is decorated with 953 unique covered windows, some of which are also made of wood, and it a complete contrast of the back of the Hawa Mahal. As the back of the Hawa Mahal is very simple, its cultural and architectural heritage is Hindu Rajput. The Hawa Mahal can be entered from the city palace through the royal gate. It opens into a huge courtyard, on three sides of which there are two-story buildings, and the magnified Hawa Mahal is situated of the east. There is also an archaeological museum in the courtyard. Hawa Mahal was the favorite place of Maharaja Jai Singh to relax because its interior decoration is very beautiful. In all its room, cool air always kept flowing from the 953 windows located in the front part. To further increase the effect of cooling in summer, there is also a provision of fountains in the front hall of all the rooms. The window of Hawa Mahal have a unique craft of colored glass. When the sunlight entered the rooms of Hawa Mahal through these colored glass, the entire room is filled with a rainbow aura. A great view of the rear side of Hawa Mahal from a window of Hawa Mahal. In this photo, you can see the Samrat Yantra of Jantar Mantra as a styling wall on the top right and Isarlat as a tall down of the left. Hawa Mahal is built of lime, red, and pink sandstone. This palace is located on the main road in the heart of Jaipur Business Center. It is a part of the city palace and extend up to the Janana chamber or the woman quarters. It is a unique experience to see it glowing in golden light of the early morning sun.